Get started in a few minutes, everybody. Okay.
Amazing. Download the free app today.
All right, cool. What's up, everybody? Can somebody stop playing that damn music? What's up, everybody? Can somebody stop playing that damn music? We'll get started in like the next 5 minutes. Maybe less. I just want to make sure everybody has a chance to get on, do whatever thing they're trying to do. This your boy, Walter Chuck. We'll get started in like the next 5 minutes. Maybe less. I just want to make sure everybody has a chance to get on, do whatever thing they're trying to do. This your boy, Walter Chuck. Sure. Yeah.
Hey, I don't know if your audio is looping or whatever, but you got mad background noise.
Can you hear anything now?
No, you're good.
Probably because I had it on my phone too. It finally popped up on the computer, which is good. So we good now.
Okay.
All right, buddy. Let's get ready to rock and roll.
Yes,
Yeah. All right. Cool. What's going on, everybody? What's going on? So everybody seems like they're doing all right tonight. Everybody ready for NFP? All right, let's get it. So I'm gonna start things a little differently tonight. Not gonna only talk about the charts, but I'm also gonna talk about how you can get ready for news, big events, things like that. So everybody can hear me though, right? I need somebody to comment in the DFW that they can hear me. All right, cool. Shout out to DFW. All right, let's get it. All right, guys. One thing I wanted to talk about is forexfactory.com. This is key for me. Why? Hang on. Matter of fact, you might can't see my screen. 1 second.
Hello. You guys hear me? Yo, hello. Hold on. Yo, look. Yeah, it's flickering. Look. Can you hear me? Can you hear me on the stream? Okay. Sorry about that, guys. You can hear me. Sorry about that. Connected to his computer, it is. Yeah, you can go ahead and start. Here.
A1 sauce? A1 sauce, bet. Yo, what's going on, everybody? So, let's grind. It's your boy Emery. We about to just check out some double tops, double bottoms to my man Chris. Get on. Where's your MetaTrader? You only use TradingView? Alright, bet. Yo, you gotta stop using these zigzags, man. I'm drunk, ugly. Yeah, I'm about to say, it look like I can use this. This is like, ooh, this is crazy. So yeah, as I'm getting ready and setting my charts up and everything, I hope everybody's good. I know y'all like the picture we just threw up there that everybody eats. Shout out to the DFW Trade House. We had to stamp it real quick. And we're gonna show y'all what pretty much what we've been looking at the entire week. So I know what I've been looking at the entire week. Everybody else been checking other things out, but everybody's definitely grinding. That'd be crazy. What's wrong with you? just arguing with this trade right now. Like sometimes you already see it happen. Please don't go to sleep on our trades no more. Or at least have a take profit set. Because the take profit would have definitely made sure everybody will win in their sleep times. Alright, so what I'm watching right now, I pretty much got GBP USD set up on my chart. So if you guys look at that, or if checking out your peer, I'm basically gonna identify a few of the double tops and double bottoms. So the M's and W's that y'all see, I'm gonna show y'all pretty much exactly when's the best time to get in and when's the best time to get out. You ain't got no indicators though, B. Alright, so my mans ain't really got nothing I want to use, so we're gonna get it set up. Set them up. Alright, bet. So 8. 8 is exponential, and is that blue or red? Red. Alright, we good. Yeah, you got simple blue. Yeah, you right. Always gotta be some simple blue. Dang, that's crazy. Alright, so what we're pretty much about to watch is the trend of what's been happening with GU. So I'm gonna just mark up my charts slowly so you guys can pretty much see how I do it. And I'm gonna pretty much show you guys when's the best times to catch the reversals, hop into the market, be able to ride a trade and understand how long it will go, because this can help you out when it comes to actually maximizing profits and watching your trade and being safe. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I watched. I kind of got in late, got out early, caught it again. It was a crazy week, so we'll start. Boom, we'll start right here. Can't redo y'all like that. I was about to break it down all the way back to January, but I just keep it mad simple with y'all. That's crazy. Mm. So pretty much I'm trying to identify all the M's and W's that I see with the connecting, reversals, so y'all can pretty much see good trades. Besides just looking at the market, one thing I tell y'all is you do not want to trade all this when it's just moving sideways. When you see the market is sideways, I can tell you what helped me out and what could really help you guys out is to understand exactly, when to get out of consolidation and wait for the trade to make its move and still be able to catch it and be able to ride the trade instead of rushing into a trade, the trade going against you. You don't know what's going on. Now you stuck down 90, $100 in and do what you want to do. And sometimes it happens. Sometimes you already know. So if you see that you're not in the right trade, just take the money. Don't keep looking at it, because trust me, it will continue to fall and continue to fall and continue to fall. We try to keep y'all away from all that. It's crazy when you could just sit here and just count all the M's and all the reversals that happen at perfect times. this is about to be crazy. Watch this. This is about to be crazy. All right, so first things first, when I'm watching the market, I always start off like with the 4-hour chart. We all know that the 4-hour chart is good when you want to see the trend of the trade, and just using regular price action, using the support and resistance, I mean, you could actually even use the trend line if you want to, or you can use the moving averages, and you can see basically when the moving averages cross and basically where the pair is headed. So, dang, like these are like trades that you can just get in all day and just make money. And it's not even just all day, it's within 4 or 5 days, still letting trades go while you're compounding inside the trades, doing, $50 here. But just picture if you had a trade running from, all right, I'm getting too excited right now. I'm gonna just go back. I'm gonna just start slow with y'all, then I'm gonna show y'all how y'all can really capitalize when it comes to trading. So let me just keep it here for like most of the new people that's in here. Let me just show y'all a perfect trade y'all could have got in. So we gonna make this vertical line white. It's crazy. I'm gonna mark the charts up with y'all too. So if y'all don't hear me too well, if your mic not working, cause some of y'all probably typing in, saying stuff about the mic. Yep, I see it. I see it. I see it. Boom. I already see like 6 confirmations that you probably could have caught on this trend change, and I'm gonna show y'all how y'all really wanna just sit, just relax sometimes, for real, just relax. Cause I'm gonna show y'all why y'all don't really want. I'm gonna just mark everything up, and I'm gonna tell y'all every single thing about it. Okay. All right. So just looking at GBP USD on a 4-hour chart, first off, what we see is a downtrend. Uh, we see a downtrend happen pretty much from the beginning of February, which honestly was like another double top. Just check something out. All right, so I'm just zoom in. So you see exactly the market was pretty much dropping. You seen what was happening. You seen the last low. If you were doing this, you probably marked your charts up. But even then, you see this break. So even if you didn't know what the market was doing, you always want to see how long it's been holding, and still watching the trade move, watching price, following price. Because like I tell everybody, the most important thing in the market, honestly, is price. So I'm gonna just show y'all what happened with this. So, all right. So pretty much what we see down here, after the market went up back up here to test that high, made the last lower high, it went down and made a double bottom. It don't got to be perfect. Now, this is when you really just look at the market. Don't think of big candles. Don't think of little candles. Just look at what the market did. It came down, hit an area of support, went right back up to test, went right back down. What do we see? We see a doji. You know, not only did you see it right here, sometimes it's a little bit lighter than the other one, but that's just the first, like, that really catches your eye if you really look at it. And then what you see the market slowly go up, when you didn't have to be thirsty and buy it, you could have just waited because the market went right back down, tested this. You see the price, it was pushing down, and this is a 4-hour candle. So just think about what the hour was doing. If you already seen a 4-hour candle happening, you could have just been in the hour, you know, making money off of a quick short or a quick sell, because that was like 8 hours it was going down. But if you wanted to really stay in the money, you see it was a W being formed. So you see what happened with this candle. Now I'm gonna just tell y'all the perfect time I would have got in is when these pairs right here cross, when you see the moving averages cross. Now, even though this showed you a W, you see the market pull back these last 4 hours right here, then it finally went up. So this would have been a perfect time to get in. But if you just wanted to be safe, you got a buy stop set up right here where I got this orange eclipse at, and then you see what happened. The moving averages cross. So like we tell you, if the red's above the blue, it's going to continue in the uptrend until it switch up. Even with this, the red was above the blue, it went down, went up, moved sideways. That's why you don't want to trade this. All right, so this is what I'll tell you. This is really the big picture. Like, the market's consolidating. If you didn't get in before, you don't ever want to be trading this. If you're a long-term trader, maybe if you're scalping, you can. But the market consolidating, so you see what's really happening with the candles. But then you finally see this engulfing candle and the hammer on top of it. So you got a small hammer, and then you got an engulfing candle. They switch up right here. So as soon as that happened, the market chilled. It chilled. News probably came right here, pushed the price up. Some of y'all was probably trapped. And then y'all didn't know what to do that hour. That was just the hour that you was up and you didn't know what was going on. So the market pushed up. The news spiked the market up within that 4-hour time span. Probably was the last hour. And then it shut all the way down. So for all y'all who was just seeing this, y'all was buying it at the last minute. Some people probably made some money. Yeah, that's cool. But y'all was buying it at the last minute. And then the last few seconds, last 10 minutes, boom, the market shut all the way down, closed right here. So then we see the downtrend. Now, you could have just waited, been patient, seen what the price did. It tested its high. So within 4 hours, it just went completely down. So I don't know what you was doing, but within that 4 hours, I would have been looking at the hour chart. You see the big picture with the 4 hour. Then you break it down to the hour. All right, so there we go. We got it marked up right here. We see exactly what happened right here. Even if you was on the hour chart, you see that a doji popped up. You see what's going on. Is that an indecision? The price don't know if it want to move up. It don't know if it want to move down. But you still see that the market was testing it the last hour. So that's not telling you to get in. That's just telling you to watch out, be patient. So you see the second candle, what it do. Pushed all the way down here, closed here, tried to push the price back up here, failed. You could have made some money off of that. Then you see it switch up. Then the market slowly moves down, comes to an area of support. Like, it's just going to do what it, like, just follow where the price is. Always mark your charts up as you go. You see if it's the lowest area. If not, see if it pulled back to that lower part, and then just see what the market do, because you're going to try to sell it. Like, that's human nature. You're going to try to sell it because it's been going down for 2 hours, and you missed it, so now you selling it. Boom. This is your time to get out. If you was in the negative, it's showing you, oh, we got a hammer. So this price might either move up or it just might move sideways. So now you trapped because you see the hammer, you thinking it's going to shoot up. And now it just got you trapped in the zone, went right back down to test it. Boom, shot up. So if you can really just see what the price is doing, you know, just take your time. I mean, honestly, would you rather want to be trading right here and just risking yourself? Or would you rather want to see the big movements happen? You see it push up here, price fell, boom, hammer. And then you see the moving averages cross. That's a money trade right there. Like, that's a seriously money trade. where is this at? Boom. All right, cool. Nah, it's actually the 8 and it's the 21. The 8 is a simple moving average, and the 21, no, the 8 is an exponential, and then the 21 is a simple. And that's just the moving averages. Everybody has those. That's just showing you something with that, not depending on it. Use that plus price. Use that plus your support and resistance. You see right here it crossed, and then the market it continued down. Then you see what happened right here. You didn't know what was gonna happen. It pushed up. Then you see it again. It crossed. So now you're perfectly in a right trade. It tests this. It failed. Boom. Second candle drop. Next candle drop. You missed it. Don't trade right here. If you missed the movements already, if you see these bodies not doing nothing, you don't need to be in that. And it just wrapped tight. It was like a rubber band just keeping it tight. Just you don't know what to do. You just trapped. You just waiting for the money trade, and it's not happening all day. So these are the times that you don't want to be trading. We tell you Sundays, don't trade. Watch the market. Watch what it do if you don't know what's going on. And I mean honestly, some of y'all really don't know what's going on. If you watch this, you will be perfectly good. Without being the best trader, you just gotta really think like, all right, the price haven't been here since February 17th, and I see that it's not going nowhere the 18th, the 19th, and then you finally see a gap in the market, but you still don't know. So this is the entire weekend that you don't know what's going on, and you mad because you're not making money, but we're telling you just wait. Tuesday is gonna be a perfect trade for you. Oh no. All right, bet. But yeah, like I was telling you, even though it's a gap in the market, this could have been Sunday, and then you finally see the cross happen right here. This could be Monday, and then it start going down. So you got the 18th right here, this in between that time, and then boom, the market closed. Gap, Monday, continue in the downtrend. And I'll be telling y'all all the time, some of y'all start trading this during London and be like, yo, I think it's going up, even though it's a trend going down. You got midweek reversal. We all know on Wednesdays, Thursdays, the market tend to either reverse or continue in the same direction. So if this has been happening since last week, you follow the trend. That's why we got a 4-hour chart. You follow the trend. It's going to move. You see this candle move. It's going down. It's testing the price. You see the dojis. The dojis match up. You already seen it was a downtrend for a couple of days. From the 15th all the way to the 25th. From the 15th all the way to the 25th, that's 10 days of a downtrend. Even when midweek happened, faked you out, downtrend. And that's when we start counting levels. That's when we actually really start counting the first level of drop, consolidation. The second level of drop, consolidation. So just follow what's going on. You see a double bottom, you see the price, you see the dojis. Perfect trade. Even if it didn't go all the way up here like it did, but again, you got another trend change right here. Make it bigger for y'all. I mean, you got a trend change right here. It's been going down. What do you think it's going to do now? The market is not going to continue to push you just got to follow the price. You see the price is barely trying to hold on. That's 2. Then you follow the price and see what it's going. You see it come back right here, test, boom. You got the uptrend. You see the trend. You see the red on top of the blue. It's just bouncing off. That's all it's doing. Even though it's swivel right here, push you down, you don't want to be trading this. That's, again, consolidation. You don't want to be trading that. Hold on. Pound FIP. Was good. Preach. Sorry, everyone. The connection went out. Yeah, y'all definitely go get that Wall Street Academy. It will help you out. I mean, y'all paying the money for it. You got to be using it. Use the value that you have. Think about that. If you're not seeing the success you want in trading, continue to watch and read what you're doing. That's the only way. You never stop studying. Like, every day we go over everything. I'm in the DFW Trade House. They've been going over trading, getting a mindset right, all of that. So it's not just all about trading. Sometimes you got to remember what you're doing and, not thinking about the money. That's why you got the revenge trading videos, the greed trade videos, everything. So do you guys have a video on how to mark charts up and how to find trends? I think you could check some of the videos from the previous post. It should be one. They're all marked up, so you'll be able to see exactly what's the name of it. But we will have a video if you need one though. How do you get the text to stay in place? Honestly, when you mark the chart up on a 4-hour chart, the text is gonna be there. So of course, if you change it on the hour chart, it'll be a little bit off. But it's good just to use like colors and stuff. I usually use colors when I can see it in another, just see it in another what's the name. So my Snapchat is boyfriend number 2. Boyfriend number 2. Always 3 levels, expect a 4th. Exactly. Sometimes it do be a 4th one. Woo. What do I put for the period? And boom, boom, boom. All right, hold no, not directly. No, I'm sorry. We have covered all topics. Boom. Let me get in that trade house. Yeah, y'all gotta contact Jordan Morgan if y'all want to get in the trade house. We keep telling y'all, don't ask me. Wealthy Chuck was good. Yeah, Wealthy Chuck, he just had a little problem. He good. Wi-Fi was acting crazy, so we all working together. We're moving averages. The moving averages basically guides you with the trend slice. So when you're watching the moving averages, anytime the blue is above the red, that's showing you that it's a downtrend. Boom. Anytime the red is under the blue, think about it like that. The red under the blue, downtrend. The red above the blue. It's just, what's your favorite color? Just think about your favorite color and follow what it do. If it's under there, it's moving under there. It's on top of the trade. Boom, they switch the trend change. Now the red is on top of the blue, bouncing off. Barely moving sideways, bouncing off. Then you see this crazy push up there, and then you see the drop happen. This is, what did he say? No pullback, no entry. No pullback, no entry. If it don't pull back, if you see it happen, it's going to pull back a little bit. They cross, they go down. You move with price. That's why when you see my charts, they are crazy because I move with price. I see. This was a hammer last time. It went up. Boom. It went up from March 2nd to March 11th. While y'all was playing around the first week, from March 2nd to March 11th, it continued in the uptrend. That's 1 level. 2 levels. Boom, boom, boom. 3 levels. You feel me? And you could count it. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 price points that it boom, broke, boom, broke, boom, broke. Then what happened? No pullback, no entry. If the market don't pull back, then you need to watch. Just watch. Wait. Boom. It broke 1, broke 2. It tested this. So that's showing you a strong area of support. Strong support. I know some of y'all played football. You had a strong safety. You had a free safety. Even though the free safety went the hardest, you still had that strong support who catch, he'll catch a couple, interceptions. So that's what happened right here. We already knew that it was an uptrend, but if you missed it, you see from time, you got the pass to see that this is the support. So at the end of the day, no matter what happened to the receiver and how far he got, the other support was there to back him up. Then you got the boom. You see the railroad pair. Like, again, another sign, right? Another sign. Study those reversal patterns. So I'm going to mark this up for y'all real quick. Like, y'all got to enjoy it. Enjoy this. Like, don't make it complicated. Don't stress yourself out. We love it over here. We love it. Woo. Hey, Chris, what you listening to? Like railroad there. Oops. All right, cool. So this is the railroad pair. Again, you guys should already know that. Study that. Study support and resistance. Study trends. Study, reversal patterns. All that right there will show you exactly what's happening. It tested again. That's a money trade. This is a money trade. This is a right jab. Like, you see the market was in an uptrend. It went down for a small pullback from March 11th to March 4th. You could have got in for the reversal. That's a week right there. You just got in for the midweek. But you already see that as a strong uptrend. So you got the strong support. And then the market go up. Boom. This is 8. Boom, 16. Boom, 30. Come on, y'all. 32 hours, you could have just been in this trade making money. 32 hours. You try to trade 2 hours when you could have made money 32 hours. So just think about the picture. Just think about how many pips that was. Mike, we got a question for you. How many pips that is, man? All right, Mike answering the question. All right, but y'all see my screen right now. Take away that last 3, you got 441 pips that you could have caught in 32 hours. Like 32. So with a standard lot, how much is that, Mike? 413 pips. Okay, bet. Chris. All right, bet. So check this out. I said you got 413 pips. How much is that on a standard lot? Hold on, guys. Chris is having trouble. On a standard lot. Vargas, what's good? On a standard lot, how much is 413 pips? All right. We'll just say 4,100. We ain't have to say anything. But he got it right, though. So for you staying in this trade for 32 hours, instead of trying to catch $50 and $100, and you seeing what was happening just by noticing the market, by taking your time and doing your homework, boom, you could have caught $4,100 within that time. That's a day and a half. That's a day and a half of patience. And now you catching a trade. So, like, I was telling y'all earlier, like, I was a little mad because we was in this trade. Like, we was in this trade. It's crazy. Like, we talked about this Sunday. Trade went up the morning time. I just took it. I didn't even think about what's happening. I didn't even look. I just took the profit, and then it hit the pullback on me because I didn't want to take it yesterday, and it hit the pullback on me, and I ain't going to lie. It happens to the best of us. And I could have got out because the price went right back up. I fell asleep for 2 hours, and within 2 hours, it, like, ripped up to where I could have just took profit and just grabbed my money, but then it turned its back on me. So you just got to remember what's happening. You got to always make sure that you just marking up. I don't care. Only you can read your charts. I can mark these charts up all day. Some of y'all just won't understand how it look, what's going on. But it's just things that I see in the market that, okay, this was where it was testing last time, so I might as well put that there. So when it happens in the future, I see that I could have got out of this trade because I already knew what was going on. And it's probably going to go right back to this area to test it. So red is above blue. It tested this, it can fail. So you go to the hour chart. The hour chart will guide you when to get in. That's a double top. Double top. So y'all got an M. It ain't even the prettiest. Like if I zoom out on other charts, it will be. But you see where the market just went. Ooh. Answer that. You see that the market went up. Boom. Boom, boom. Some of y'all might look at this within an hour, but if you was on the 4 hour, the 4 hour showed a double top. If you probably went on the 30-minute, the 30-minute showed the double top. And then we see what happened. We get indecision candle. The trend might change for days now. You feel me? Like, you got to think about that. The trend might change days for now. And, I mean, the double top, like, I could have got out right here. I got out right here. So just think about how bad it was. It was a little bad day. It was a little bad day. Dang, that's crazy when you just zoom into price and see what's going on. But so that's when we still mark your charts up as you're going and see that the price is below this. I'm gonna just do this real quick. This was what's up? Quick question. Trend trading is Bay. They get on point. Chris Derrick is getting on tonight. Yep, he should be. What are your thoughts on SGYP upcoming NDA? Are you aware of this one? I'm about to definitely check it out. Divergence Gaming. I want to know what's his thoughts on Euro USD. Oh my, don't ask me about Euro USD. I haven't traded Euro since like January. I really stick to what I do. Sometimes Euro really do whatever it wants sometimes, and you can make money with it for a while, and then it switch up on you. I'm not messing with the Euro pairs, But I'll check it out. You know, I'll definitely look at it for you and tell you what's going on. Yo, what's going on? What's the 3 things you said? Study trend, reversals. So what I say? I said the trend. I said the reversals, the trend, the reversals, and support and resistance. Support and resistance. Understanding price. And I'm just showing y'all right now. Not saying that it has to happen. So this was support. Anytime support is broken, well, what support becomes what? Resistance. You don't have to now. This ain't no 99.9% promise that it's gonna happen, but it's just like that's why you follow it. That's why you be patient. That's why you watch because the market can move sideways right here, pull back, move sideways right here, move slowly sideways up, trap you. Now you're getting trapped, but we want to see what happens. We see it crossed, so we want to see if the market is gonna continue down. Look at the hour chart. The hour chart crossed. Look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour is probably about to go back down. But that's why you be patient because now you could just continue with this trade. But I mean, I look at every single time frame. I like to catch the reversals when they happen. Even though we see that it's going down, I got to pull it back. I go to the 5 minute. Watch what the 5 minutes doing. The 5 minute got small bodies. It's about to move slowly. You go to the 1 minute candles. Close it like this. I just did it. So does that mean it's on? All right, cool. Somebody emailed too. Can you hear me now? All right, 20. Ooh, my fault, guys. I finally see some of y'all in the group was answering the questions when I was asking them. That's crazy. Thanks for all the support too. Y'all follow this Twitch. We're gonna be giving as much value as we can. You know, definitely make sure you getting your team on here. If they ain't understanding something and you know you can't help them, I mean, point them in the right direction. We all work together. We're gonna be adding way more stuff. We got a website getting created for y'all, so we got some stuff under the table, man. Uh, I definitely look at the day chart. I look at the hour chart. I mean, the hour 4 for the trends. That's why I got my basically moving averages. Like when I first started trading, I used to trade binary. I used to use moving averages, but with this, you see what's going on. You see the downtrend. Now you see the lower high about to be broke from that last downtrend, and maybe it's gonna continue to go right back up for a little bit. But like I said, you follow price. You see where price is headed at. I move my horizontal line sometimes with price. So we're gonna see maybe the market might go back up here and test, or it might fail and cross up right here and go right back down. So you could catch trades. You see trends happen. Boom, trend, 2 trends. That's 1 trend, 2 trends, 3 trends, 4 trends. You know, 5 trends, 6 trends, 7. Like that's where you don't want to trade at. But even you could catch setups on a 1 minute chart. Like for real, 1 minute chart setup. Boom, boom, boom. That's 3 levels of drop. So just continue it. Like he said, it could be a 4th level. All right, cool. Study candlesticks. You are studying candlesticks. When you studying the reversal patterns, Those are candlesticks. So you will want to watch those. You want to watch the hammers. You want to watch the dojis. You want to watch the hanging mans. You want to watch the indecision candles. You want to watch the dojis. Like, they all through the house. Y'all got them everywhere. They posted so much. Everybody should have them. Even if you don't have them, you go to reversal patterns on Google, and they'll show you all the Forex reversal patterns. It's really that free, and it's really right there in front of your face. So just do the homework. It's worth it. It really is. Thanks. Y'all can go to babypips.com as well. Like, babypips.com got a lot of information, too, for you. Do you guys invest in an auto trader while you're trading, too? Of course. If you make money, you might as well let some money sit in that auto trader and let it compound. What does the money you have in a bank do when you're not putting money into it? Not really paying you anything. So same thing with this. You want to use that auto trader. That's why we got the product. The best thing you could use. How do I set my moving averages up? You'll go over here on the top. It's like a plus sign. You'll click that, and you'll go to moving average, and you'll actually, get it set up like that. I got 2 moving averages. Chris said he think it will hit the resistance line tonight. Yeah, I'm gonna see what's up. If you confident in them trades though, like, that's one thing. It's not about what I think. It's not about not about anybody else thinking about what you think. That's what we're doing. We're taking high probability trades. I'm not here to like trade off of anybody. I want to learn it myself so I can see what's going on. And if I see a reversal, I see, a double top, double bottom, I see the trend change. Those are patterns for me. That's time to get in. I see the real pairs. That was a perfect trade. It's time to get in. So watch the trades. Watch the trades. Keep an eye always on price. That's important. Always mark your charts up. When you mark your charts up, it helps you to identify everything that's going on and what you need to be looking for when you come here on Sundays. You look at the marked charts from last week and follow and follow and follow. So with a 180 balance, what should I do? Binary or hour? Binary is not a time frame like clock. It's not a MetaTrader or nothing like that. It's not a platform. CyberPro. Hit CyberPro up and tell him like where he can go to actually study. You need to really study like your risk management and everything. How do you get started in trade? Yes. We don't trade Knight Mason. We don't trade stocks, bro. We trade Forex, currency trading. More than one. Appreciate that. So Ferrara. I hope I said it right. If you want one-on-one training, see that button right there? Hit me up on Facebook. Influence trading, best way to trade. I want to trade more than 0.02. Do you ever use the news to trade? I use the news to kind of see what might happen. Maybe if the news is strong and I see a confirmation candle and I see what price did last time, if you use the previous news, that help you out as well too. Sometimes, but if you don't know how to trade news, you don't need to trade news at all. Oof. But other than that, let me go back to the M's and W's. That's the main focus of the night, period. So, with this uptrend being said, like I was telling y'all, again, the trade will reverse. Whatever price do, it might go right back and do the same thing. And we see that it was an uptrend from March 16th to March 21st. Then we see on the hour chart, boom, boom, boom. Just because you wanted to be safe, didn't want to trade, you wanted to be smart, you was waiting for a setup, you could have made money off of this. You could have sold that. And then you see what happened right here. The market went right back up for a couple of hours. So these are hours. This is the hour time frame. You see a M being formed. That's why I always tell people, like, if you see it, watch for the legs. Don't trade right here. You see a hang. I'm going to just zoom in so you can see it. You already see what happened when you zoomed out. But when you zoom in, you see a hanging man. You see the price test. Oh, that's a hanging man. So I know it's going down. So you sell it for 6-7 hours. Boom. Price come to an area of support. You can't break it. It go right back up. It tests this. It tests the same thing. You zoom out. You see a M, perfect M, boom, it made one leg, went right back up. Be patient. Just what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Being patient for 6 hours just got you the perfect setup on a double top, a perfect entry right here at 1.4490. Now you catching the whole trade from the 18th all the way to the 24th. So that's all that happens. You got one level of drop, two levels of drop, three levels of drop. Same thing. Be patient. You see the market move sideways. Again, it didn't do nothing for them hours. So that's like an entire day. The market ain't doing nothing, man. I'm just going to wait until London time. Instead of trading during the day when I know that the market's not going to do anything, be smart, be safe. Boom. End up switching off. You got the uptrend happening. Now we see a double top. And what happened? That was from the 24th to the 30th, the 31st, right? It's going all the way to the next day. So be patient tonight. Watch what happens during the U.S. session. You know, see where the trade continue to head at. And then just continue with the flow into the next week, right? Do that. Do a small lot. Do a micro lot and watch what happens. Watch how you turn pennies into hundreds of dollars. Like, did that before, and it's from patience. And you could be smart, and it'll happen to you too by just letting it chill. So if you have a job and you have a lot of, like, be patient. Do smart trades. Make smart decisions. Don't try to gamble with your money throughout the day. It won't work. Like I'm telling you, it won't work. So that's why you see people holding trades and making $4,000 or $5,000 because they make $4,000 decisions instead of thinking about a little bit. So this is a masterpiece that you're creating with trading, and it's just simple. You just gotta just follow the flow and stay with it. But again, that's a double top right there, and it switched. So we want to see what happens. Maybe it'll continue in a downtrend with that double top for a couple more days, and then switch off. So just look for those like within the market. One more time, use support and resistance to stay with the trend. I mean, to stay with price. You got the moving averages to see the trends, and then you got M's and W's to cover the confirmation of what to do and how long you might be able to do it. That's all I'm trying to show you is that this is an entry and this is a trend change. So you can hold it for days, and that's what didn't happen to me this week. I don't even know why I didn't do it because it was a perfect time. I was in the perfect area. I had a perfect setup, and it happened the next day, and it happened the next day, and it's still happening right now. So just watch those. Look for them. If you don't know what's going on, let the market paint the picture. That's it. Just let the market paint the picture, and just be patient and get the setup when you got it. So. Do I have them backwards? I thought I was correct. That's it. Who's Chris V? That's you? Oh, word. All right, bet. I think eight. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. 8 is exponential. 8 is exponential. And then is it right? 8 exponential. Yeah. Wolf. We're pretty much just showing them exactly like the the trend changes, the area of price, the support and resistance. Even though I don't got it set up, you could just see like support is an area, boom, resistance another area, price change it continues up. You see what happens? Just look at the support and resistance. It consolidates. It moves slowly. That's why I don't trade near there because once it hit, it's gonna wild out and stay around there for a minute before it make that next move. Same thing. It break one point, go right back up. It's gonna chill. Might make a fake out to continue right back up. That's just how it works. You just catch the insides of the trades, and then you look at current price, see what happens, and then follow it. So just seeing it right here, you can't really tell even if I move this. Like you just watching this. This is you see these small bodies. They're not doing nothing. Let's see how this get close, and then let's finally catch the breakout. The breakout will happen off of another reversal candle. So I think y'all understand it. Anybody got any questions at all? Where do you put your money at? Y'all got a sign up link inside there. Y'all got a sign up link on the Twitch. All right, well, you see this? It says sign up right there. So either contact the DFW Trade House, you see the page, and connect with somebody on there, and they'll personally, talk to you about, yeah, send them a message on there, and it'll be perfect for y'all. All right, Bet Profit with Rob, J Rob, what's going on? Like the day-to-day basis, I mean, I'm gonna tell you to go on baby pips, but you want to find the current, like find the basically the currencies you want to trade, and then look for the sessions and the days. First off, all right, bet find the currency you want to trade. Look for the time that those currencies move. You got the Asian market. You see what's going on with those pairs. Look for the mix-ups. You got the London session. You got the overlaps with the London and U.S. session. You see what pairs move with that. Like when you start trading, they tell you everything you need to know about every currency pair. They tell you the times. They tell you what time they overlaps, so you can see the mixed pairs. You can get like the exotic pairs, and it'll tell you when they overlaps. And then all you got to do is find the perfect days when the market move, which isn't Sunday, which isn't one day. But I mean, like I told you, if you could see what happened with the trends, then you could just easily catch a trend. Trends happen all day. They happen all throughout the week. But you gotta be ready for the setup. If you ain't ready for the setup, you just gambling with yourself. So it didn't take me nothing. How long we been on here? Like 30 minutes. We didn't. It didn't take 30 minutes. Saved you a lot of money. 30 minutes of just marking the charts up. And mine is marked good. I don't really have to mark it up no more. I'm just gonna follow what's going on and I'm gonna move as I go. So I like USD JPY and USD CAD, and I'm starting to like gold personally. I heard a lot about those this week actually. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Um, I mean personally myself, just to answer your question, I don't. I really do not like opening. I don't open nothing on like Sundays. I'm not gonna act like I don't trade Sundays. I trade if I'm 100% confident in myself that it's gonna continue to do what it do. But besides that, Sunday and Monday I observe the market. Yeah, DJ said they terrible days to trade unless you know what you're doing. Like you can't. I can't really say they terrible. They terrible days to trade if you don't know what you're doing. So if you don't know what you're doing, then yeah, they terrible. Just observe. That's how you get better by watching it. Watch the masses do the opposite. Watch the masses. Sundays and Mondays, don't do what they doing. Don't trade. Just wait. Then Tuesday you get a setup, and the market continue to go right back down. So Thursday just happening. You got all Wednesday. This is what happened Wednesday. All right, cool. So anybody got any questions about double tops and double bottoms? I'm gonna give y'all some time. Let me just check my phone real quick. But I just want y'all to. I want somebody right now to identify a trend change and tell me the currency pair, and I'm gonna find it. Identify a trend change. Tell me the day and what time, and it's game over. Hey, shout out to Tavi out here on the webinars. Learning them pips though. Haha. Let's get it. Twitch. It was hot up here. What's good with that fan though? Yeah, I got my case over there. I just gotta go get me a little what's the name on it? Give me a little plastic. I don't want to touch it. Yo, But today was like the first day I went out. I've been really in the crib. I didn't even want to go out today. But that information was useful though. I really need to start using like all those things. A Google Docs, a Google spreadsheet. Oh yeah, can we tell them about that, Mike? About the what's the names? The, the log. Yeah. It'll just be smart. I want y'all to keep an activity log of all y'all trades. I mean, like, we said it before, but that's like what like a lot of business being handled, but you gotta do it so professional. If you're gonna trade and you don't got the results you want, act like it's school. Act like it's your teacher giving you the final. You play around. You don't study. You get a 50. You got 5 out of 10 right, and she said you got one more chance, and you could do it again, right? Keep an activity log of what you did wrong throughout that time. So now you can figure out, okay, for them 5 days, this was what's going on, and I was trading against the trend. Sometimes you guys be doing that. It's an uptrend, but you trading backwards. It's an uptrend, but you still trading backwards. And it's been an uptrend for 5 days. So for 5 days or just for a day, if you did 5 trades, mark it off. Understand it. Get everything right. And then next time you have a better chance, you ace the test because you seen what was going on. So like that's the best way I can tell you like how to really like trade. Like write this all down. Don't just lose money and not go back and see where you went wrong at. It's just time. It takes time, but just do it. You feel me? Just do it. I don't know if we'll get in. Yeah, I'm thinking the same thing, like a fake out. I was just telling them that. I just asked him. He just said he was. Yo, stop playing with us, Chris. You keep asking questions on here and junk. Don't get in because we are in. Do your own chart markups, yes sir. Yeah, that's it. That's all it's about, honestly. Trading is just like what he said. Shout out to Profit with Rob, Profit with G Rob. My bad. Trading is your own homework. This is your own homework. This is your homework assignment. Don't hit me up and say, "Yo, what trades you getting in?" I mark my charts up. I could be wrong sometimes, but I mark my charts up, so I'm gonna do what I'm supposed to do. If you just do what you're supposed to do, you mark your charts up, boom, 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 boom. You see what happened. Same thing. Fake out, boom. It can happen. I mark my charts up so crazy. Y'all would just not understand how to do this. So you see support, resistance. Let's see what happens. We getting a perfect trade tonight. I'm gonna just tell y'all that we getting a perfect setup. Yeah, I'm not a pro trader either, but I'm just giving y'all some knowledge. Yeah, I'm on an hour one. GU, what you looking at? Yeah, somebody. That's you who just said that. Somebody just said look at USD JPY. They said Euro JPY. I'm gonna look at USD JPY. Oh, that's crazy. When you drag, I say if you mark your charts up, right? If you drag it, it'll be set up for you just like you mark your charts up, except on another currency. Mine marked up all my little, even though this off a little bit, it's still marked up the same. And if you zoom out, you see the trend change right there. now we want to see what happens. I can already tell it's about me moving sideways with some little fake outs. So I'll stay away from that right now. But I just watch to see if it'll fake out to the high. Honestly, right here. This is USD. Probably go down. So it might continue to push down, then go up, or it might continue to go just down. The 30-minute time frame. And perfect hammer right here. You could have still caught some pips. Oops. And you could have caught 50 pips. 54 pips. Within 3 hours on USD JPY, you could have made some money off the sell. You be trading them exotic pairs. Yeah, you trade too much different pairs. Don't trade. Y'all trade two pairs. Yesterday I was talking to Chris. He was like, I was in this, I was in that, I was in this, I was in that, I was in that. I'm like, what? Why you in all them trades? But he only had like he had a small lot size up in each one, so that's cool. But stop cheating on y'all girlfriend. I keep telling y'all that. Y'all keep trying to trade everything. Stay with one or two. That's how you get messed up like that. Stay with them. All right, so Chris want me to go to the hour. Zoom all the way out. Yeah. What you thinking? What you up in? Oh, let me zoom out a little bit more. What you looking at? That's the hour chart? Oh, you zoom all the way out. Yo, that is not that. What chart are you looking at? Oh, that's the 4 hour you looking at right now. That's what you got me looking all crazy and stuff. You looking at something else. I'm looking at. So you talking about this area right here, right? I didn't know what you was talking about. Oh, okay. All right, but I see. Now you want to start looking for that reversal. I like a hammer though. I'll wait for that. I would be with this one. I will wait until this moving average cross, so you could catch the downtrend once the red get under the blue. You could just chill with that one. But then you go to the hour. You see the hour just did it. It's about to do a little pullback. But if it go right back down, then that'd be a good trade. But this one right here, yeah, a little weak reversal. That's why I'm gonna go to the 30 minutes. All right, for the week. All right, so I'm gonna mark this up right now since you said that. Let's see if you're right, because if you're right, I'm actually gonna. Yeah, CAD up JPY. So he said this is the highest high of the week. This is what Chris. All right, so Chris said high of the week. Now I told him I'll be patient because the candle's still green, and I'll see if it go back here and break and then keep falling. High of the week. You start at the beginning of the year. did go there in January. But it looked like it might make. What if it make a double top again? 'Cause it just went down. That could have been one leg. Yeah, I see. So you seeing a better downtrend. What I'm saying is, if you zoom in though, go to the 4-hour chart. See, it might be making a double bottom. I mean, a double top. My fault. It might be making an M. It might go right back up and test that. So this is the hour chart. That could go up for 6, 7 hours. It can go up towards London, then finally hit that reversal to go down bigger for the entire week. You looking at a 4-hour or the hour? There's a little double bottom too. Boom, boom, boom. Damn, you could have caught this for days if you would have seen this. Down, up, down, boom. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15, 16, Yo, that's 28 days of an uptrend. You heard me? That's a 28-day uptrend right there. Off the double bottom day chart, CADJPY. So from chairman 8, so now could have been catching pips. All right, so that's 770 pips. So that could have been $7,000 that you could have been making trading off of one standard lot in 27 days. And when you got out, you should have bought that shit. I'd have hedged my account. How the hell you draw? What did you do down there? Like this right here? Yeah, like what the hell? I'm thinking supply and demand. I'm like, no, that's fucking Chris demand. That's crazy. And then look at the 5-minute chart. The 5-minute they just crossed, so I want to see how far the 5-minute gun go. But if the 5-minute keep going, I'm telling you, that's it's going up to go make that freaking double top. But it could fail though, and it could drop, and if it do, it's going down off the 5-minute. 15-minute. Yo, hop in that. That's a good trade. Nah, not telling y'all to hop in it, but that is a good trade to look at. I'll have a setup for that. I'd definitely be ready to look for a sell. But I'm just watching the price. I just want to see if it tests back, but that's definitely looking like a good sell. Jordan, when you hop in it, how long ago? You waiting? Word. So yeah, we kind of looking for a sell. Thinking about shorting it. So mark up your charts to the best that you guys can do. I'm actually about to take like a nap before London. I'm so serious. But if anybody have any questions, please ask now. Other than that, we about to be out. So I really appreciate all the questions, all the support you guys been doing. Young Young OG Pips. Yo, that's a crazy. I like that name, Young OG Pips. Marry one, make the other one a loyal side chick. That's funny. Nah, Chris didn't talk yet. Where is Chris at? Where? Yeah, Chris just wanted me to close it. He got a lot of stuff going on right now. Good resistance. line in that view right there. Thank you very much. Got it. Chris is going to speak as well. Not tonight. Once again, the moving average numbers, 8 and 21. So appreciate you guys' time. I have to go. And that spaghetti was bomb. So yeah, I hope y'all go like that picture too. The picture we just took up where everybody eats. Yo, the cheesecake down there, isn't it? I go eat some cheesecake. All right, so yo, Mike, turn this off, bro.